Yo, I'm Dapper Nez, dropping some more car tech on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a review of is the BAM. I didn't want to drop it because the tag came off of it, but I wanted you to see the whole thing. This is the first aid only 299 piece first aid essentials kit. Now, as you can see from the tab there, the model number of this is FAO-442, 299 pieces. First aid only. There goes the logo down there. Assembled in the USA. About time. First aid essentials. Words. You can read that. That's what she looks like on the inside. Get rid of the tag. Got the logo and branded on the bag there. Just to go around it, it's like a little pouch, as you can see, relative to the size of my hand. Alright, that's how big it is. About the size of probably like an 8-inch iPad, but obviously thicker. Zipper go all around it. Nothing on the back. Alright, so let's get into it and see what we see what's in here. Okay, when you open it up, this is everything that you see. Bang. Got your little American Red Cross emergency first aid kit guide. I'm not gonna get into that, but words, you know how I feel about those. You can read those. Bang. Barcode there and all. Alright, toss that to the side. I'm not going to take everything out there because it's kind of neatly packed, but you get the gist. It's a first aid kit. Everyone should have one of these in their car. You can, you got some bandages up here, some more bandages down there, some trauma pads, bandages, pond bandages, a lot of band-aids. That's going to make up the most of your $399 in band-aids and stuff. Then over here you got some iodine. Is that what that is? Oh, antibiotic ointment. You got some wrapping gauze, got some scissors in case you need to cut it. I mean, so looks like they put a little bit of thought in this. Got a pair of gloves in there. You should everybody should have multiple pairs of gloves in their car anyway, in my opinion. You should just invest in a box for like $1. But yeah, it's your first aid kit. Got some alcohol wipes back there. So I mean it's a first aid kit. I mean, it's only $12, so I suggest you get one, have it in your car, keep it in your car, throw it on your seat, in your trunk, or whatever, just in case. And if you need it, you can do some minor first aid until the paramedics get there. So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this is a review of the first aid only 299 piece first aid essentials first aid kit. I'm Nez. Cop that. I'll put the links in the description, and I'm out this piece.